Hi, I'm Phoebe Everill from the Phoebe Everill School for Wood. The other great thing that we can do with the one-hand clamp is we can also use it as a spreader. So take the threaded knot from the tailstock. You're going to need to slide this one this way and fit the tailstock back on. Got to go for the glasses now. Can't see a thing. What is it? No glasses, no commitment. Why you might need to use a spreader. Okay, we've made a jointed, well, we've made a really nice tight joint. And we want to pull it apart. So, I can now use the same clamp to pull my joint work back out apart. This is particularly useful when you've got really tight dovetails. That one was tight, Bobby. And then change it back. Again, it's the case of one clamp, not 3 or 4 or half a dozen. This is something or sometimes the spreader is really helpful when you're doing a glue up for a table and you want to keep the legs aligned perfectly straight. That's the other time I've used them. But I will do that.